Hi guys, it's Sam here from Investing with Sam. Today we're doing a video on blink charging. So literally let's get straight into this. I'm actually got stocks in this shares, sorry, in this stock, and I'm actually so pumped over the last week because we've received so much good news. Um, I was I did own the stock before, but then they had some fraud allegations and the stock basically plummeted. Um, and I sold, I did, which I wish I didn't. Like the worst regret I had was selling because um when you sell, when you lose your money. Do you know what I mean? I didn't have a lot of money in at the time. I didn't. So I think I only lost about £100, which is a lot of money at the end of the day. It is a lot of money. Um, I don't even know why I'm saying it's not a lot of money. It is a lot of money. Like to lose £100, that's a lot. Um, but then I bought back in, and right now I'm doing quite well with the stock. I bought at its all time, near enough its all time low, and I've quite a lot of stocks, shares in it. And this week's just been so positive for the stock and the company. They received news. I'll just show you here. Um, they received news. They did not them, but California to ban new gasoline cars by 2035, um, and will be the first in the US state to actually ban it by 2035, which is a great move for the EV industry in general, not just blink charging. This is going to benefit Tesla, um, and all these other companies that are doing EV. Nikola Corporation, they're not doing EV, they're doing um, hydrogen. But Workhorse, Diamond Peak Holdings, um, yeah, it's going to benefit all the EV industry. Everyone that's in the EV industry is going to benefit them because when one state, makes that move, I think others will follow. And as Blink Charging CEO said, um, the more electric cars we have on the road, the more our business will um, boom, which is true. It depends on the EV sales. If the EV sales go up, then of course the blink charging stations will go up as well. And right now, with the price where the stock is at, I think it's a good price to get in. Like with what the news we've had, and obviously we all know EV's new thing. It's going to be the new thing. It's not going to be short term. It will be long term to receive your gains like that you want to get. Go if everything goes to plan, which I think obviously it should because everyone's coming to terms with it now, and yeah, it's going well. Yeah, I feel like just now, if I was you, I would get into this company now. Because they're going to be doing big things. And I think $8 itself is still cheap. Like if we look here, it's all time high, it's $12. And I personally think by next week, I personally think this. Don't um, it's what I think of there. I could be wrong. I probably will be wrong, but I personally think this stock right here could be $11 by this time next week. And um, I think that anyway. Obviously, COVID at the moment that's affecting the market a bit. Um, the stuff that's going on in America with the presidency election and stuff, that's affecting the stock market as well. So, um, yeah, but long term, blink charging is a long term hold for me, and I think it could possibly go to. I could see it going to at least 18 to $24 pretty soon, like within the next by next year, sometime next year. I really can see it happening. Um, as long as everything goes to plan, I really do think it can go to that. But don't take my word on that because I'm not a financial advisor, as most YouTuber stock investors say. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't take my word. Do your research. Go with what you think's best for you. Don't put all your money into stocks. That's the worst thing you can do. Make sure you if you could put enough in that you can manage to lose at the end of the day because worst thing you want is to lose all your money. Like before you put money into a stock, always think to yourself like, if I lost money, would I be like? Of course you'll be angry, but would I be like doomed? Do you know what I mean? Like, what would I have money to work with after? Don't My best advice here, I know I'm rambling right now, is don't put all your money into it. Like be safe, be smart with your money. Um, Obviously I make sure, I do like 30% of what I make from my wage from my job and I put that into stocks and I try to make that work. And at the moment it's working out pretty well for me. But as I said, I'm a long-term investor, so it can only improve. Um, if all goes to plan. But yeah, blink charging, as I said here, that's what the California's going with. 2035 cars should be all electric, which is very good for charging and the EV industry itself, because more cells will be going ahead. As it says here, California will phase out sales of new gasoline-powered cars by 2035 as a part of a fight against climate change. Governor Gavin Newsom announced the first state to set an expiration date for the traditional automobile. And there's actually, if I see here, where is it? I'm sure I saw it earlier. No, I can't get it up. There was a tweet which I can't get up at the moment. Oh, here it is. I actually put a tweet out saying we're facing a climate crisis. We need bold action. CA is phasing out an internal combustion engine by 2035. Every new car sold in California will be an emission-free vehicle. Hallelujah. That's what we want to hear. Cars shouldn't give our kids asthma, make wildfires worse, melt glaciers, or raise sea levels. Damn, that's what I want to hear. That's what I want to hear. And obviously, that's what um, has pumped the stock up. Well, that's what I think anyway. Um, Obviously, we did have fraud allegations. I don't know if it's true. It did go down, and it is improving um, as time goes on, and I think it only will. And as in a year, this stock has gone up. It was at $2, $1, $2. I wish I would have invested it earlier. I really wish I did. Um, I actually did invest earlier around the $3, $4, but then this is when I first got into investing. You get in $1, $2, and then you make four. It goes to $4. You sell. You don't understand long-term investing, but obviously now I do, and I'm gonna stick with that. I don't know how long I'm gonna hold on for. Uh, I'm not too sure yet, but I will be holding long term. So yeah, that's the best thing I can say, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. That's much appreciated. Thanks for watching. In a bit.